A devastating fire broke out in Puriang village, Morenkening constituency on the evening yesterday, destroying the belongings of Kong Riburom Karngi. While the fire severely damaged the house and its contents, no injuries or casualties were reported. Local MLA Ba Hevingstone Kharpran responded immediately, but due to the area's lack of fire service infrastructure, it took some time for the firefighters to arrive. He has called on the government to improve fire services in the region as such incidents are becoming increasingly common.
Assembly, Deputy Chief Minister in charge of home. Wang Malayok Jaka, but China in the emergency first station. I'm wondering. I don't want to put long, but Jiagataka first station, but Kabasongo along by a post Jia community Chia in the Katong Tanjuni. Then Nakatang, so play one P, extra car department concern, but instead of Iginica. Kapan China in the emergency first station for Monkening, Kang Banka Latirap Kalwan Kamstead.